Hello traders, welcome to the weekly and daily outlook on the euro dollar. Now I'm still expecting the euro dollar to give us a correction here back onto this previous level here at around 114.88 before we see any further rallies. And if you also look at the fact that the market has come into the 6-minute retracement of the recent downwards impulse leg, so there is every possibility that this market would retrace very soon. So let's drop it down to an early time frame and see what we have here. So if I kind of zoom in, what you're gonna see is the market is kind of creating a little consolidation zone here between 119.07 and also 117.023. So these two levels are going to be very important. Now if you're an advanced pattern trader, you're going to look at this consolidation and see that the market is actually on the verge of forming a bearish godly pattern. So this could be an opportunity this week to take a short, and the fact that we know that this market is going to retrace at some point on a higher time frame, so this will be a perfect opportunity to go short at the top end of the channel. So the godly pattern will complete at around 119.047